Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you had a great week this past week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for Euro USD, and as usual, I'll start off with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see that price has been in this strong bearish move, and I've mentioned it several times, and has made several retracements, as we can see here as well. This past week, we can see that price moved strongly bullish initially all the way to the 1.037 area, and then rejected quickly below this range that we have indicated previously. If you look closely at the range, you can see it's the one I pointed out initially, from the 1.028 level to the 1.012 level, and we can see price closed below that area, even though it tried to push above that range, so meaning that there were a lot of sellers just around this area there. If we move to the daily time frame, we can see on the daily time frame that price got to this 1.036 area, 037 area here, where price has been tested previously. We can see it here and here again, okay, and then price tested it just about here before breaking through strongly, and then this is the first time price has come to test that area again. All right, so that's what we can see. And then when price got there, from this rejection here, and then followed by this strong bullish and bearish candle. Okay, now so that rejection plus the strong bearish candle for me is an indication that price could continue to the downside from that point there. And you can see this area, this range where we were marking out initially, and then so this could just be a false breakout out of that range, and price could continue all the way to the downside as well. Another thing that we need to point out again is just to show why my bias is more bearish for Euro USD. Is one, this very strong resistance area here that price has tested before was the strong support. Price broke through it, and now price has come to test it again as resistance. So that is one. Two is using our Fibonacci retracement from this swing high here to the swing low. All right, we can see that that area falls perfectly at the 61.8 Fibonacci level. So that is also another strong indication that price could just retrace. This could just be a retracement, and price could just bounce from that level to the downside. So that is two. And then again, if we draw some sort of descending triangle, or rectangle rather, or a descending channel if you like, from this area here all the way down here, okay, we can see that price has just gotten to the top of that level. Okay, so we can see the descending triangle clearly here. Price coming to test this level here, right, and then went back up to test that level as well. Okay, came back down to test it again, and then back up to test it again. Okay, so I'm expecting price to bounce from this level again all the way to the downside, possibly to the 0.97 area. Okay, so which is also another significant area that price hasn't tested in a very long time. So this is what I'm expecting generally from Euro USD. Again, this is just my my projection, my analysis, and you know, there've been some indications why I think price is going to go that way. But of course, anything can always happen in the market, and price could just bounce to the upside and break above this level. And if price does break above this level, then we would expect price to most likely just continue its bullish momentum all the way to the 1.08 area. That's if this channel is broken to the upside. But again, everything has pointed towards price going towards the downside. So if we go to our 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that I have plotted this trend line. Okay, and so for us to expect a continuation of our down move, we'll be looking for a break of this trend line. Okay, so there could be a break of this trend line, possibly a retest of it, and then price continuing to the downside, breaking this support level here again, and then retesting it, and then just moving that all that way towards the downward area. So this trade of price going all the way to the downside is a very long-term trade, and then we can always capitalize on it as price moves towards the downside, because we already have a fair idea of where the direction in which price is going to move. So we can always look for very good entry points and then just trade in the direction. Okay. Another thing again that we can see on the 4-hour time frame is this double top pattern that formed here as well. So you can see it right forming towards that area. So this double top pattern, and we can see if price breaks this area here and then it goes all the way to the downside and completes that double top pattern. My analysis from my last week video, I said that if price breaks this channel to the upside, most likely the price will continue the way up, but unfortunately faced resistance around 1.037 area here, which again is an area that was marked out, as we can see here. The price has tested it previously. So this area, if it had broken to the upside, then most likely the price would have gotten to this 1.047 area, but no, but that area held and price formed the double top pattern there as well. So all these are strong indications that price most likely would continue to the downside, and then we should be looking to capitalize on that. So this has been my analysis for Euro USD. I am bearish on Euro USD. If I'm already in this trade anyway, but if you're not already in this trade, then you should look for an opportunity when this trend line breaks, and then you should be able to capitalize on the down move. So wait for the trend line to break and then just trade trend line breakout strategy. Okay, so you can either enter on the break, or you can wait for a retest and then enter your trades, and then just keep entering as price keeps passing significant areas of support and resistance. Okay, I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through.